What would you give to look years younger and have healthier, more beautiful looking skin? Introducing New Brilliance, the professional style salon microdermabrasion treatment you can enjoy yourself right at home and for a fraction of the cost of an expensive salon treatment. New Brilliance starts working to reverse the visible signs of aging the very first time you use it. Now, you too can achieve younger, healthier, more beautiful looking skin with this revolutionary at-home skincare product that practically pays for itself the very first time you use it. And just like professional microdermabrasion, New Brilliance is a patented two-step process. First, the wand uses professional-grade real laser-cut diamond tip heads to gently but effectively remove dead and flaky cells from the surface of your skin. Second, and most importantly, the powerful but comfortable vacuum pressure enhances the diamond tip wand by pulling and lifting away those dead skin cells. And at the same time, it stimulates circulation beneath the surface of the skin and increases blood supply, which then provides the nutrients necessary for regenerating collagen and skin rejuvenation. This is the most effective anti-aging factor in our bodies that actually improves texture and elasticity in your skin, which directly reduces and eliminates the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This two-step process is what makes New Brilliance so unique and effective. In a recent clinical study, patients reported a high satisfaction with New Brilliance in ease of use and overall results, including a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, improvement in texture, skin tone, and elasticity, reduction of skin discoloration, dark spots and scarring, and improvement of pigment irregularity and the treatment of acne. New Brilliance, the professional style salon microdermabrasion treatment you can enjoy yourself